Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks without cement. First, gather your materials, soil, sand, and a binding agent like straw or natural fibers. Ensure your soil has a good clay content for strength. You'll also need water and a mold. This method is perfect for sustainable building projects and can be done with basic tools, making it accessible for almost anyone. Let's get started on these easy steps. Choosing the right materials is crucial for strong, cement-free bricks. Start with soil that has a good clay percentage, ideally between 25 and 40%. Then mix this soil with sand, usually in a 3-to-1 ratio of soil to sand to prevent cracking. Finally, incorporate organic binders such as straw, wood shavings, or even animal dung. These binders act like rebar, significantly increasing the brick's tensile strength and durability. Once your materials are ready, it's time to mix and mold. First, combine your dry soil, sand, and binder thoroughly. Then slowly add water, mixing until you achieve a consistent, pliable mud. The mixture should be firm enough to hold its shape but not crumbly or overly wet. Press this mixture firmly into your brick molds, ensuring you eliminate any air pockets. Smooth the top surface for a clean finish before carefully removing the brick. After molding, the curing process is vital for strong bricks. Place your newly formed bricks in a shaded, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heavy rain. Allow them to dry slowly and evenly for several weeks, rotating them periodically to prevent warping and ensure consistent moisture loss. This slow drying process strengthens the bricks significantly. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.